In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Obsidian Vault on Google Drive. This process will allow you to store your notes securely and access them from anywhere. It's essential to have Google Drive set up first, as this will serve as the foundation for your vault. Let's get started. First, you need to install Google Drive on your computer. Head over to the Google Drive website and download Google Drive for desktop. This software allows your computer to sync with your Google Drive account. Once downloaded, follow the installation prompts. After installation, you will see a Google Drive folder on your computer. This folder is where all your files will be stored. Having Google Drive installed is crucial because it ensures your Obsidian Vault is always backed up and accessible from any device. Next, you will need to sign in with your Google account. Open the Google Drive application on your computer. You will be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. Once you log in, your files will begin syncing. This process might take a moment, especially if you have a lot of data. Signing in is important because it links your Google Drive with your local system, allowing seamless access to your files. Now let's make sure you enable Mirror Files or Drive Sync mode. In the Google Drive settings, look for the option that allows you to sync files. This setting ensures that all your files are stored locally and in the cloud. When you enable this feature, you can access your files even without an internet connection. It's a little step that saves you a lot of time later, ensuring you always have access to your important documents. Once that is done, you can create a folder in Google Drive. Open your Google Drive folder on your computer. Right-click in the folder area and select New Folder. You might want to name this folder something meaningful, like Obsidian Vault. This folder will serve as the dedicated space for your Obsidian notes. Having a specific folder helps keep your files organized, making it easier to manage your notes in the future. Now that you have your folder, it's time to create a new Obsidian Vault in that folder. Open the Obsidian application on your computer. Once it's open, look for the option that says Create New Vault. This option allows you to set up a fresh vault for your notes. Choosing to create a new vault is essential because it gives you a clean slate to begin organizing your thoughts and ideas. Set the vault location to your newly created folder. You will need to navigate to Google Drive, then select the Obsidian Vault folder you created earlier. This step ensures that all your notes are saved directly in Google Drive. It's a vital action because it links your notes to the cloud, providing that extra layer of security and accessibility. Finally, click on Create. Your Obsidian Vault will now be established in the specified folder. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your vault has been successfully created. This makes sure your changes are saved and you are ready to start adding notes. Congratulations! You have successfully created an Obsidian Vault on Google Drive. With this setup, your notes are organized and accessible from anywhere, making it a fantastic tool for productivity. Thank you for following along, and happy note-taking.